This is the last episode of my shed security series. Episode 1 and 2, I gave you 2 tips on how to secure your shed, which is basically extra locks. This episode, I'm giving you another 8 tips, total of 10 security tips for your shed. Check it out. Apart from having good locks on all your doors and windows, the next important thing is to stop people looking in. Because the first thing a burglar would do is look in to see what you got. Oh yeah, that's worthwhile breaking in. When you're outside the shed or at night, you want the window blocked. You don't want no one seeing in. But during the day, you want that natural light to come in. So the best option is a curtain or some sort of sheet of wood. This is what I use. It's basically a 7mm sheet of ply, and I've strengthened it with some pallet wood. Done. From the outside, that looks pretty impenetrable. Looks like I've boarded it up. You might have noticed that I've completely lined the inside of my shop with plywood. So not only is it an insulation security camera, but it's just perfect for screwing stuff into. And if you're planning on going on holidays or away for a weekend and you want to make it a little bit more secure, like really secure, then all you need to do is screw a piece of wood into the sides like that. Okay, I've never been broken into, touch wood. However, over here, I've got this massive snake. He's like, I don't know, 8-9 feet long. And if I leave this window open at night, forget to close it, that snake may come in here and make its home up here. So this is what I've come up with. I'm not sure whether I'm going to install this yet or not, whether it's entirely legal. It's not designed to injure a burglar. It's designed to keep out snakes and act as a visual deterrent. Would you climb this window? A casual person's not going to just climb in. Let me show you something. This window is a standard window from the manufacturer. It's locked, but I don't think it's that secure. Locked. But what if, actually I won't push up because it might pop in. I'll do it from the inside to show you. Okay, it's locked, but what if I just push it up? It doesn't take a lot of imagination to work out how to open it from here. To fix it, all you need is a piece of dowel or a bit of scrap off cut like this. Slide in above the window. Window still opens fine, but now you can't push it all the way up. It's a bit hard to see because the sun coming in, but this catch I'm not overly thrilled with how strong it is. So to fix that, I'm going to put a piece of wood in the track. So if you've secured the front door, the roll doors and the window, the next point of entry is basically the walls, because these walls are quite easy to break into. All you need is a spanner, undo these bolts, undo these, peel the tin back, climb in. I've got protection against that by having the walls ironed. You need to go through a couple of layers of insulation and then this thick plywood. Locks, deadbolts, etc, etc are still not going to stop a determined thief. You want to also have visible security cameras. The thing about security cameras these days is that they're super cheap and really easy to set up. This is my camera one and it cost $100. It's on the front of the house. It's highly visible, so you just can't miss it. And the thing is, if you see one camera on a house, then you can be assured or pretty much assured that house has got more than one camera. Gee, that policeman's pretty suspicious. Nah. It's really good that they're doing patrols. And if you're serious about security, I'll seriously consider a security camera. And finally, the last line of defense, a good security system. And this is why I'm wearing headphones, because it's bloody loud. Okay, last tip. The thief has ignored your visual deterrence. They've defeated your security somehow, broken in, and they've triggered the alarm, grabbed something, and run out. Now, you may have their face on camera, or may not, but my last tip is to keep your glass clean. So when they try and open the window, they may not break in here, but they will try it. And when they try it, they may leave a fingerprint. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.